Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2018 Honda Civic LX manual. Everyone says that Honda makes the best economy manuals, and I have to agree, this is absolutely the best manual gearbox, close second being Nissan. But when they make cars like the Type R, you gotta make them good. It's powered by a 2.0 liter 4-cylinder with VTEC. Nice cloth interior. Sit nice and low. Sporty driving position. When you're sat still, there's no reverse lockout. There we go. Pretty sure once you're in fifth, you can't. Yeah, it will lock you out. Nice. Put the e-brake down. First gear. And we're rolling. Clutch is super easy to modulate. Over the ice. It's a very, very nice gearbox. Between gear changes, it's super satisfying. It's honestly very quick, especially with this manual. Instead of the manual, you can get the CVT. But my rule of thumb is, if it's under 500 horsepower, it can be a manual. Or it should be a manual. I love this thing, man. Gearbox is super nice to use. This is my first time driving a normal Honda manual. I've driven a Type R twice, just around parking lots and stuff. But this is fantastic. You know, this manual gearbox is up there with some of the best of gearboxes that I've used. It's even better than some of the high-end manuals I've driven. Well, high-end meaning Mustangs and stuff like that. Obviously never driven a supercar with a manual, but any of you watching have a gated manual, please let me drive a gated manual. Obviously I've driven paddle shift and electronic. Well, no, I've driven a V8 Vantage manual. So that's close. That's very, very close. Which that was utterly amazing. But this gearbox is on par with that. What's nice is a lot of economy gearboxes are very, very sloppy. This is the polar opposite of that. This is very, very precise, obviously to a certain extent, but wow, rev matching is super easy. It's a very, very free revving engine. No rev hang either, which is absolutely welcome. A lot of economy cars, there'll be some major rev hang, which makes just driving them kind of a bit of a chore. Whereas this is a joy instead of a chore. Haha, let's rhyme today. I mean, just listen to that. Every gear change. It's just so precise, so nice to use. See how it does starting on some ice. It's nice you can just slowly let the clutch out and get it moving, whereas automatic might sit there spinning. Don't think it has backup sensors. Nope. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.